Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of May 15th, 2012. The charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess, and the first chart is a weekly bond chart which is clearly broken out to the upside. Now, we do have the Keltner channel up here in the 146.20 area that could provide some resistance, but we're looking at a market that is going to new highs for as far as the eye can see, and that's just not something you should be arguing with. The initial resistance here was 145.24, which came pretty close to the old highs way back here, and they're breaking out above that. We could look maybe for a move down to 144.08 for support, or even 143.14 down in this area, but doesn't look like they want to show that much weakness. They're just zipping to the upside, and basically arguing with a market making new all-time highs is just hazardous to your financial health. So hard to believe that this market could continue like this when interest rates have been so low for so long, but generally the market's no more than the politicians, and this sure looks like an upside breakout, and heck, they could go to 150 or so. Uh, Pretty impressive to see a market do this, because they all this time, the 6 months or so where they were going sideways, they looked like they wanted to roll over and break down and just simply couldn't do it. Little false break back here earlier this year, and the run up to new highs here, well, it's a clear breakout, and that's about all you can say. There's not much to be done except look for spots to buy intraday if you get an opportunity. Now in stocks, we look like we may be having sort of a breakdown. They were in the area of this old low here at that was 1333, I believe, and that matched with the mid Keltner channel and the support right in here. They seem to be breaking down below that. They had a very late day breakdown on Tuesday, and it's possible that that could reverse back up on Wednesday. Otherwise, they just look like they're in trouble. I mean, the actual resistance for this week should have been up in the 1372 area, and they can't even get back up to 1352 in this area. And again, they've broken the 1333, and as they break down here, we have this lower Keltner band and this previous high way back here in 2011, the swing high that this whole thing broke out above. That's down in the 1277 area, and I think that's a pretty reasonable downside target. It looks like there's a good chance they're going down there, and I want to say eventually, but it may not take them long. This move has been sort of calm, other than the retest and failure here in terms of volatility. It's very possible that this will accelerate and get down in this area in a very short space of time. Again, there is a chance they will show a quick reversal here, but it sure looks like they're breaking down and want to go below 1300. 1277 roughly is the probable target for that move. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for looking in to see what we think.